Hi guys, in my every workshop the first thing I have to explain is what is the process for JB, Sidam, Sumaya, Willinker. And trust me, मैं बोल के थक जाऊँ यार ये चीज़. So in this video I'll try to cover up all these things together in a complete table, the complete process about all the top 4 colleges. And the best part is all 4 colleges have a different process. Even though they are combined through the CET exam, but all 4 of them are following a separate process. So let's start with the JB first. So JBMS, first of all, all the courses have MS program and the PGDM program, except JB. So JBMS there is no PGDM program, there is only MS program. Okay. And MS the program is admission is through cap round, through CET only. So as of this year, the process they only take CET score. They are not accepting any other scores. Fine, only CET score. Yep. So which means the OMS people are not there. Fees is around 6 lakh for the PGDM course. Number of seats total are 120. Out of them, open seats for master students are 54. So JB there is no PGDM, only MS program, no OMS category, 54 open seats and other for the reservation students. Okay, so that's the scene as of today for JB. And average salary is touching around 20 lakhs. Okay. Second is the Sydenham College. Sydenham have both MS and PGDM, but both of them are through CET cap rounds. So there is no GDPI. It's through CET scores only, no GDPI. So Sydenham fees is 1.4 lakhs. Intake for MS is 120 and PGDM is 60. So total 180 seats are there in Sydenham College. So I consider Sydenham, Somaya, Willinker to be at par. Trust me, the placement wise everything is at par. The only advantage is intake is less because the intake is 120. The number of chances getting into college is obviously difficult, but once you get into college, getting a placement will not be a big problem because intake is less as compared to Somaya, Willinker. Okay. Moving to Somaya MS, they accept CET scores and MAT, ATMA, other scores as well. Same for Sydenham as well. ATMA, MAT, CAT, ZAT, all the scores. Okay. So that's the advantage of this course that they are accepting all the scores. Fine. So CET, Somaya on the other hand, they are again for CET, they are accepting CAT, CMAT, CET, all the scores for All India seats as well. But for PGDM, they are not accepting CET score. They are accepting CAT, ZAT, and CMAT. And there will be a GDPI. Number of seats are around 300 through their core program and the other main courses. So number of seats around 300 at Somaya. MS CET score, average fee 6 lakhs, intake is 120. Okay. For PGDM programs, fees is around 11 lakhs and they accept CAT, ZAT and CMAT score. Cutoff around 85 percentile, 81 percentile, 97 percentile. Okay. Willinker, again for MS they accept CET score, CAT score, ZAT score, ATMA score, all the score. Fees is around 6 lakhs, intake is 120. And PGDM program, again intake is around 300 plus. There will be a GDPI. They'll accept CET as well. CET, CMAT, ZAT and all the other exams. So can you feel all 4 colleges have a different process? ये CET लेता है, ये CET नहीं लेता है, ये CMAT लेता है, वो ZAT लेता है, वो CAT नहीं लेता है. So you need to understand these 4 colleges का process. So I hope this is self-explanatory. So salary wise 20 lakhs, Sydenham will be touching around 14 to 12 lakhs, Somaya will be around 10, 11 and Willinker around 9 to 10 lakhs. That's the average salary of the 4 colleges. And every other B school apart from these 4 colleges have to follow one of these 4 processes. Most of them are following the process of Somaya, Willinker and JB, Sydenham, because they're government colleges, they have their own separate process which is dictated by the DT. Now if you look at MAT, these colleges are not there. In the MAT brochure, if you're applying for MAT, you will not find these colleges. But because DT is, MS admission is controlled by DT. So in DT website, they are saying they're accepting MAT. Are you getting me? For example, till last year, JBMS also used to take CAT scores. But JBMS was not listed in CAT का list. So don't worry about the list. We are going to follow the DT rules because जो DT बोलेगा हमको करना है. तो DT ने अगर बोल दिया कि ATMA, MAT सब लेगा तो लेगा. कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका. ठीक है. So this notification will be coming out in Jan end. So we have enough time. उन्होंने already notification दे दिया कि CET होगा तो होगा. तो CET is happening and most probably the date is going to be 10th March. Okay, so this process we need to understand. So there are two courses, MS and PGDM. MS ka cutoff is obviously high, PGDM cutoff is low because there is GDPI as well. So Somaiya, Willinger, both the college there will be GDPI. In fact, every B school beyond this will have a GDPI as well. Fine. For MS there are reservation. Obviously OBC, SC, ST reservation is there. But for PGDM there is no reservation. There is no quota system. There is no all India seats. Everyone is open to apply. So those who want to target the top four colleges, the number of seats are 300 plus. So we are open to apply to all these colleges and we can easily get through as well. Alright, and I hope this is self-explanatory. If you have any more doubt left, please do ping me. I think I have to make one more video to explain this thing completely about the process. But yeah, I think this cover up the in nutshell, in summary, the mota which I wanted to cover up. Alright. So do subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done that, so that you can get all the updates automatically for the other exams and CET exam per se. Alright. So, and I'm connecting the workshop this week. So in case you are in Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Aurangabad, do register in the link below so that you can attend the workshop. Alright. All the best. Thank you.